had a phone call this week, and somebody asked me to give an opinion about Tesla. Now, if you have just listened to the news, Tesla is in the news quite a bit, especially because it's technology that is in the front, like breaking ground. The electric cars and the whole thing. This Tesla reminds me about Apple in the sense that um, Steve Jobs, people really followed Steve Jobs. He was such an iconic figure. Um, Elon Musk of Tesla is similar. It's more like of the Marmite kind. You either like him or you loathe him. But Tesla has a very strong following, and sometimes it doesn't follow all the rules in the market. People, when things go bad with Tesla, that people jump in and buy to support the company. But just to see what the wealth infusion strategy did with Tesla. So let us just have a look at Tesla. So Tesla's current price is $748. So yeah, if you want to buy some of those shares, welcome. Go ahead, make my day. But yeah, normally people with big accounts can do that. So here we go. I had a look, and Tesla gave, if I followed Tesla with the wealth infusion strategy, it gave us an original buying signal on the 11th of October last year. So that it would be there. Let us just open this up a little bit. Yeah, okay. 11th of October, on that day. So we would have, that was a Friday. So because we work on a after hour strategy, so we wouldn't buy on that day. But the next day, the Monday, next trading day, Monday, there we are, would be the 14th. That the price on that day closed at $557. So say for instance we would have bought around about that price, and so here we go. So that it started to go up from there. So we see just as a week under 4 months, it has tripled in value. Absolutely staggering. I mean, it even went up at one stage over $900. At the moment, you can see we have it pulled away quite a bit. So it will consolidate a little bit. Yeah. So I thought it will come down to around about the 600 level, 600 to 650. Just to find support, but I see more or less around about 670 level. Might look to find support if I can. You see, there was around about there. We had that level tested, broke right through, and now come back and test this level. So if it holds, if this level holds, then when it starts to go north again from here, that might be a time to reconsider entering into this trade. Loads of volume here, lots of fighting between the bulls and the bears, lots of fear. That's why I say people just jump in, go on like crazy, but that's a good sign. So I don't know, it may be a pennant, it may not, who knows, but we'll see what this stock does. I just thought, because somebody asked me through this week what it's doing, this is it's just busy with the consolidation, catching up. See, it's in a strong trend here as well. So one thing I think you can take away from tonight is, even though we look at different shares, there's this whole thing about this support and resistance levels. So you had, here you have again, that was on that level there was resistance. It pulled back, it came up again, tested it, broke it, went resistance, pulled back. That's the thing about shares. It never goes in just a straight line. This is probably one of the best straight lines you've ever seen.